this, and I'm like, sounds good to me.
Like.
Nine is good. Or is this a joke? Don't change a thing. Alright, we gotta throw it a little to the right.
In my pocket today, I have $700. There's 7 months left of the year. We need your guys' help. We need to get to 50,000 subscribers. And I know we can do that before then, but we have 7 months left of the year. For every month that goes away, I take away $100. So if we don't magically get to 5,000 subscribers this month and we hit the 50,000 mark and we keep rolling over into the months, I will keep taking away $100. So if we go into July, we have $600 left on the table, and so on. We need your guys' help. Make sure to like and subscribe. Giving away some money. Back to you guys.
So do you match the $700 you're giving to them to also give to me? That would be only fair.
That's a conversation we might have to have off camera. But
please tell me in the comments.
If they really like you.
Yeah.
And they
tell
really
him in
like
the comments
us,
he needs to give me $700 and you guys $700.
Yeah, so the only way that you guys can get that is if we hit the 50,000 mark and when we hit the 50,000 mark.
Alright, I will say spares are a little difficult on this pattern that we have here. Everything is hooking. No, let's not miss this one. I thought I would film a spare, guys, because that's just as hard as the strike right now. Damn. Damn. Well, if you guys came to watch strikes today, it's not happening. doubled. She's making a massive run right now. I'm officially the Black Cloud. Everybody say it with me. We love DH Lab. That's nuts. Dang, look at that. We got a 3-bagger. Hey, we struck out. Let's go. That's cool. Hey now. Hey now. Hey now. Brooklyn. Oh, come on. Alright everyone, I decided to come on camera to kind of fill you in on what's going on. Obviously, I haven't posted the pattern in the video yet until right now. So this is the pattern. It's 37 feet dead flat. They hook a lot in this building. The front part of the lane is like bowling on carpet. Obviously, Elise wasn't expecting them to be this difficult. Not only that, she's still dealing with the injuries that she's dealing with that she doesn't like to talk about because she doesn't like to make excuses. But they do affect every athlete. So obviously she's not bowling to where she would like to be bowling to. But I just told her to enjoy it, learn as much as you can, because what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, and you just get back up and you keep learning. So just gonna continue to throw shots, learn, and yeah, just wanted to fill you guys in on that because it is difficult, and this is probably a tough watch because not everybody is striking, you know, everyone's struggling, and it's a very tough pattern. So some are just struggling more than others. So yeah, let's get back to some bowling. She made a 10 pin. Say it with me, guys. You already know the drill.
I was really hoping I could.
That is a chance. Yep, tickle them. Love it, love it. Oh Lord, hit the Brooklyn. Come on. Elise said this one was going to be good, so. Oh yeah, yeah, here we go. There we go, 3-pin. I'm gonna film the spare too. I'm gonna film this. Alright guys, over under on the spare. Here we go. I think it is the over. Good job, Elise. Jesus, go. Nice. Here we go. Ooh. Making spares right now is like a highlight reel. Yay. We really love the H Lab right now. Oh my goodness. There you go, Kara. Elisa's mad at me. She made the spare. Just gotta go a little bit to the right. Very nice. It's another good one. Ooh, you dirty, dirty dog. Alright, get 8. Or all 10. Ooh. High game of the tournament. Go, Brooklyn. And that happens every once in a while. Help. Thank you. Oh shit. Yeah. Double. Yeah. 210, 210. We can make this, right? Okay, thank God, we get another shot. We get another shot. You get another shot. You? Alright, one more in the filth shot of the last game. Oh. We love the H Lab though. Wow.